So with your WordPress dashboard, what you also have access to is the reader section. So over here, if I were to go around onto the top, you can see the reader with the glasses icon near it. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, then you can see that you can choose whatever you're interested in. Let's say, for example, I'm interested in personal finance and life hacks. And let's say, for example, software, artificial intelligence, maybe design. And then let's say, for example, climate, and then startups and business. Let's say, for example, I choose that. And if I were to click on continue, then I can simply go ahead and discover some sites that I'm interested in. So I can go ahead and for inspiration, I can simply go ahead and see these. So you can see that my reader has just been set up just like this. So I can go ahead and interact and then comment right here. And in the discover section as well, I can discover the sections related to that topic. So maybe you're looking for an inspiration or something, then you can simply utilize this section as well. So over here, if you have liked something, then you'll actually see it right here. If there's any conversations that you have started out, it'll list out right here. And if there's any list, you can go ahead and maintain out the list right here as well, and the tags as well. For example, if I were to click on design, then the design related tags actually pop up right here just like this. And then you get the notification settings for this as well. And then you can work around with the subscriptions from over here as well. And this is the reader section, as you can see right here. So you can access it right from your dashboard right here. So if I were to go around onto home, the reader is accessible right from over here, and you can access the sites that you have subscribed to, and then for the sites that you have actually chosen to list out the readings as well. So that is how you can utilize the personal reader as a reference and as an inspiration inside of WordPress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.